Today we're going to be doing the spool head for the 600, 750 and the 900 watt trimmer. Hold 3 trimmers, take nylon line. For the 900 watt trimmer you use a 1.8 millimeter line, which is the red in color, and that is 6 meters of line you're going to use on the inside of the head. For the 650 and 750 watt trimmer, that takes a 1.5 mil line, and that is 8 meters of line that goes inside the head. Let's see what's inside the head. To open the head, press down on the clips on either side. That's on there and there. Using your finger or your thumb, just press down and push up at the same time, and that opens up. Do the same for the other side. Then you have your clip, you have your spool, you have your spring, and you have your housing. To rewind the nylon line on the spool, if you have a look there, you'll see that it says rewind. On the opposite side, it says rewind as well. We're going to take the nylon line, which is a 1.5 mil nylon line. We're going to find center to the line. If you're using 8 meters, you're going to use 4 meter, 4 meter. You're going to find the center to it. You're just going to push it down with your thumb, just so that you have reference as to where it needs to be. Take your spool, turn it towards you. So you're looking at the back, you can still see rewind. You're going to locate in the center on the partition. There's a groove. Take the nylon line, put it into the groove, like so. Then, turning the head to my left, you're following the arrow. The arrow says that you need to go to the left. So you turn the spool to the left. Leave the line or just hold the line in place, and you continue turning the spool. At the same time, the line is going in. So you continue doing that. Remember, the line needs to be on either side of that. So we're just going to wind that up quickly. Remember, don't use a thicker line on the spool head. If you use a thicker line on the spool head, you got a very good chance of damaging your machine. The motor, the thicker the line, the higher your amperage on the motor, your motor ends up burning out. So now that that's done, once that's done, we're going to put it back into the housing. We're going to take the housing, we're going to take the spring, put the spring back in. Now, you got eyelids on either side, aluminum eyelids on either side. Those lines needs to go through the eyelid. So take the one end, push it through, thread it into the eyelid itself. Take the other end of the nylon line, push it into the eyelid, and pull it straight out. Do not pull too hard. If you pull the line hard, that line is just going to expel on the inside. We just want it to be there for now. You take your clip, put your clip in, and you can push your clip down. You can hear the click. That's in. Once that's done, then pull. Pull the other side, and you're ready. Now when the machine is on, you need to bump that onto the ground itself. But the machine has to be on when you do it. Bump onto the ground and your line spews out. If I press the knob at the bottom, press it and pull at the same time, that will expel the line every single time. Does the same on the opposite side. It will expel the line every single time. But when the machine is working, as it's called a bump feed, machine is on full rev, bump onto the ground firmly. Once you bump into the ground firmly, that will expel the line. Once it expels the line, the cutter that's on the guard on the machine will trim that line to the size that you want. Now that we have done that, you're ready to be used. Thank you.